Okay, in our last lesson, we did F, T, and Q. So remember we had this beginning top stroke, and then we came down like this, made a boat, and if you cross it, it's an F, and if you don't cross it, it's a T. And then Q looks sort of like a 2, and it drops below the line. Or, for your real life, you can make an O with a tail, just like that. Maybe someday somebody official will change uppercase Q, but I doubt it. All right, so that was what we did in the last lesson. Our next group, we've now learned 19 letters, and our next group only has 2 letters in it. First one's a little bit more difficult, second one's easier, so we'll learn the hard one first. It's capital G. It is an upstroke to the headline, and then you loop around over the top and then under and cross. Come up and touch your headline, come down like you're going to go straight down, but then bring it in and make your boat. Just like that. So upstroke to the headline, loop, make a point, come down, just like that. The only corner on this one is up here. This should not be a corner. This is rounded off. This one's actually rounded off better than this one. Okay? And we are going to write the name of the language Greek, because we learn some words that have Greek roots. So we need to know how to write that word. So we're going to go like that. It does not connect to the next letters. So you just do R, E, E, K next. Greek. Okay? The next letter is S, starts out exactly the same way, finishes the same way, you just don't have to do this part. So you upstroke to your headline, make your loop and come down and make your boat, just like that. So upstroke to the headline, loop, come down, there you go, and finish off with your boat. Okay? And a place that you can visit is Santa Monica. So we are going to write Santa Monica, capital S, or Santa Claus even, if you want to go there. Does not connect, so you're just going to put your A close to your S, but don't let it touch. 1, 2 humps on your N, come up for your T, come into your A, cross your T, and now you know what, let's switch it to Claus, Santa Claus. You'll write Santa Claus more than you do Santa Monica in your life, unless you move to Santa Monica. And then you'll have to invite Santa Claus to Santa Monica anyway, so there you go. So capital C, L, A, U, S, Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Which we've learned capital H, we could write ho, 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 but we're not going to. So there you go. We learned G and S. They start the same, they end the same. The only thing that's different is this point on the G and there's no point on the S.